Hey everybody, welcome. It's Mr. Vogel coming at you live with a hot take on science fiction themes 2019. So I've noticed we've had a little issue with understanding what theme is when we're reading a book or a story, so this will help you understand that. So, first thing you need to know, what is theme? The theme is the life lesson of the story. What is it teaching you about life? It could also be said as the main message of the story. What is the point the author is trying to make to you? You can learn this or think about your theme by looking at what the character's actions and beliefs are and how they go about solving their world or their problems with the conflict of the story. So anytime you're reading something, you want to think, what did this story teach me about life? So it's always about big picture, the world that we live in, what can we take and then apply to life that the author is trying to teach us. So one example, and I'll use the story Harrison Bergeron. You look at first what you know about the story. So what do we know? Well, we know that this story, Harrison Bergeron, takes place in a dystopia. It's a future world where everybody has been made equal by handicapping all of their special abilities. No one is stronger or smarter or better than anyone else in the world. Which sounds nice, except this makes everybody's life miserable because they have to carry around heavy bags, they have to wear ugly masks, they have to wear headsets that drown out all of their deep thinking. So, what the author Kurt Vonnegut is trying to teach us is the theme of the story. So the one possible theme could be we should celebrate what makes people special. We should look at people's special abilities and talents and admire them for it and try to learn from them and make the world a better place instead of being jealous. Another possible theme is that, yeah, equality is great. We really want equality, but equality should be about equal opportunities and not about equal abilities. So that should help you understand theme. So, if you're reading Divergent and you are trying to think of what the theme might be for that story, the first thing you need to do is think, what do we know? What do we know about the story? Well, this is a dystopian world where everything has been divided into 5 factions, each focusing on different traits. The government controls the population by keeping people in these groups and eliminating those who do not fit in. So, what does that teach us? What is the theme? One possible theme is the world needs people who stand out. Triss is the hero of this story, and it is because she is able to think in different ways that doesn't fit into one specific box. This is a threat to this government society or government-controlled society where they just don't want people who are breaking away from their system. Another possible theme is that it's okay to be different. Triss shows us how amazing her brain is and how wonderful it is to have these different traits. And so the author is showing us that in our world, it's okay to have differences. And finally, one possible theme would be those who think outside of the box are the most valuable people in society. We need these people to strive for change and make the world better. And that's what Triss did in the story. However, if you think that there might be a different theme, great. If this story taught you something about life and you can justify it with textual evidence, then it is a theme. So the real question is, what did you learn from reading Divergent?